Okay, welcome to the Polychem continuous flow 10 gallon per minute system. In this system, we have water flowing in from a 3,000 gallon tank and another 3,000 gallon tank. This little unit processes 2,000 to 3,000 gallons per day, or basically 10 gallons per minute constantly. The water feeds in through this line, into this line, up. Now this is a used system. This is one we're retrofitting, but this gives you the idea. It goes up through what's supposed to be a sight glass that we're going to be replacing soon. Is up and into this tank. In this tank, we do pH control. We also do skimming. You can see a little skimmer running up through there. Come back through here. We also do pH control. Now this one was retrofitted with a new pH controller. It's the Hanna Mini pH controller. Works just as well as the LMIs, the GLIs, all the rest of them. Costs a little bit less, runs just as well. All the pH is being done or being taken. I don't know if you can see it, but it is being recirculated through this pump, around through there, into our pH module, and then back up and into the tank. And this maintains a constant pH of whatever you like. In this situation, we're maintaining about a 7.2. Our pH is fed through a line from a pH pump that is controlled by the controller. Okay, now the water is coming up through that box into our three-weird system. This is all continuous flow. In this system, you can see it there, chemistry is added constantly through a little motor, and an auger goes down and grabs the dry chemistry out of this little hopper. This hopper holds about 100 pounds or about 2 days worth of chemical usage for this particular setup. As the water goes into the first weir, you can see it's still a little cloudy, still have soaps, oils, resins, metals. As it gets into the next, you can also see where it's starting to coagulate and flock. And that is the metals, oils, and soaps separating from the water. As it gets into the third, it's very hard to see, but in the third, it just gets much, much larger. Let's see if we can see that again. Okay, so what's it doing? Well, we have three little mixers. All of these mixers are controlled by these three knobs. They're just going constantly. We have an auger. Of course, this is the auger system. Auger system. And I'll show you right here. This is our chemistry. Right here. It's that powdered chemistry. This is our treated water, by the way, on the filter paper. So, the auger right now is set to 40, and it's on. Everything is on at one time. And the filter table, which is this right here, is controlled, and it's on constantly, and the speed is controlled right here. As you can see, the paper feeds. You see it feed up just a little bit here as it goes through. Let's see if you can tell a little better here. See how it's moving very, very slowly through there? All of that moves at the same time. The water's discharged through here. It is a combination of sludge and clean water. at the bottom is nothing but the clean water coming out from underneath the paper. That clean water is then sent to a clean water tank. You can see right through that. That water is completely dischargeable. And then it goes through an air diaphragm pump, up through and out to the city. 3,000 gallons a day in a system smaller than my car. Oh, and the last thing to mention, of course, is our vacuum pump system. What this does, we're about to replace the vacuum pump on this one. This unit is about 10 years old, but that shows how long these last. 4498. And of course, I'm at a live operating plant, so we're going to hear stuff in the background. But this vacuums constantly the water from underneath the paper and sucks out all the water from the sludge from the bottom of the paper. Now currently it's not doing its job because we have to replace it. That's one of our jobs. But it fills this tank, and then at the end of the day, or on the panel, it will give you a little red light saying that this is filled. And on the newer versions that we have, it just automatically purges. And it purges right back down through this hose and over the paper after the end of the day's run. And that takes out all that little bit of water that we've taken away from the filter paper. And once again, all of this is being done by a unit not much bigger than a Harley. I thank you for watching this presentation by Polychem of the 10 gallon per minute continuous flow stainless steel system.